Greetings from Lovnäs Naturistbad, Lovnäs Nudist Beach in Nykvarn municipality in Stockholm. It is my third year in a row that I am visiting this nudist beach, and third year in a row that it is almost completely empty on a cloudy day like this. Currently it is 5 p.m. exactly on this 11th of July, and I have been running 3.5 kilometers from the closest bus station to get to this nudist beach. It has a small jetty that is going into some lake plants indeed, and a tiny sandy beach part as well, as you can see. And it's located in Nykvarn on the lake Yngern. And there is also a public beach on the other side, separated by some forest indeed. And the video from this beach is my most viewed video on my YouTube channel with 350,000 views. So let's see if this one gets same views as that. So it is 19 degrees Celsius in the air and 18 degrees Celsius in the lake. And it's time then to go in for a swim here at Lovnäs Naturistbad in Nykvarn. It has been quite a run journey to get here, but I think it is worth it for sure. Yeah, it looks quite nice indeed. But due to the weather, it's obviously not so many people here on the nudist beach indeed, which makes it perfect for a swim in the lake. The jetty over there is basically pointless because it is very shallow in the water here indeed. It's a lot better closer to the public beach indeed. And yeah, it's then time to go in for a swim. Here we have some kind of plants in the water, as you can see, and this is a natural lake, obviously, Lake Yngern, that is. Nykvarn is a municipality that is southernmost one in Stockholm, actually, region. And yeah, then it's time for another adventure from another nudist beach in Stockholm. So, are we ready for a swim? Because I am ready, set, and go! Amazing. Amazing indeed. Beautiful swim on a nudist beach. I must admit, it's not so differentiated that much between the nudist and the public beach, but currently both of them are completely empty. Anyway, it's only the forest that is dividing the public from the nudist beach. So Lovnäs Naturistbad, if you want to enjoy naked out on this beautiful lake in Nykvarn, then this is the place for you. Around 3.5 kilometers from the closest bus station, but there is even a parking lot that you can come to if you have a car and driving license, that is. So yeah, I'm gonna be enjoying a bit more here on the beach before heading back to my home. But thank you so much for watching this episode from Lovnäs Naturistbad here in Nykvarn, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another adventure on the channel. It's adventurous, but great.